thing I've been wanting to tell you all day long. I love you.
Don't love you.
What good is love? It's Princess Night.
We're friends. Are we? What's wrong?
This isn't right.
More than friends.
This is when I turn into worst enemy. Or was it to protect me? Ed said love is a sacrifice.
It's about putting someone else's needs and happiness before your own.
Ed,
The truth is, Oswald, you would sacrifice anyone to save your own neck. Even me.
So you'd rather die than give up the man who tried to kill you?
I would. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah,
But I killed him because I couldn't share him.
I met someone.
I should have been able to sacrifice my happiness for his.
I think I'm in love.
But I'm ready now.